Stuck on the fourth floor, coffee in a paper cup, gone cold, your name on a sticky note, curled at the edges on my phone. You took the window seat, I took the long way round your desk, counting tiles, chewing pens, trying not to say what's next. Meet me by the vending machine where the lights hum soft and the snacks look mean. I'll trade you my last sweet thing for a midnight laugh, for your keys on a ring. Meet me by the vending machine where we talk too close and we stand between row B, row C, you and me, clicking buttons like it's meant to be. You said you'd leave at 5, said this place was draining you dry. Now it's 8